We've already seen what prompt engineering is all about and what are some of the components of the prompt. Let's explore some of the interaction roles that are involved in every AI conversation. Those three roles are basically system, user, and assistant. Imagine you're planning a trip to Rome. You only have 4 hours, and you love ancient history. And, of course, a good espresso. You want help making a quick plan. So what do? The first role in every AI conversation is system role. System role is basically like a director role behind the camera. It decides how the assistant should behave. It decides its tone, personality, and the goals. In this prompt that we have as an example, the first line written in yellow is the part where the system role is being played. This is the part of the prompt where we are telling AI to behave like a friendly personal travel assistant. The next role is the user role, where you tell your AI assistant all your commands, all the instructions, and everything that you want your assistant to do for you. In this part of prompt, which is written in the blue, you tell your assistant that you have 4 hours in Rome and you love ancient history plus good espresso. In the second line, you tell that you want your AI assistant to plan a 4-hour walking tour for you. In the next part of the prompt, you tell your assistant that these are the must-haves in the walking tour. And the last, you tell your AI assistant that this is how the output should look like. Now, when you run the prompt and you get some response from the assistant, that is the output. This is the third role that comes into play in the last. When you run the prompt, your AI assistant takes instruction from both system and user, then combines them to craft a reply. You all should go and run this prompt and see what is the reply that you get from your assistant.